Hello viewers, in this lecture let us discuss one of the most important concept for IIT and NEET. So many times questions are asked related to this concept. Okay, that is the behavior of potassium permanganate in acidic, neutral and basic media. Okay, so this KMnO4 is one of the best oxidizing agents and that act as an oxidizing agent in acidic, neutral and basic medium or alkaline medium also. That is the speciality of KMnO4. Okay, it can act as oxidizing agent in three media. Okay, that's why it is special and very important. Okay, let us discuss in the strong, basic or alkaline medium how it behaves. That let us see. Just we are taking permanganate. See, this is the potassium permanganate. It exists as K plus MnO4 minus. Okay, so let us discuss only ionic equations. Okay, so here MnO4 minus. What is the oxidation state of manganese here? Plus 7. Okay, so it will in basic medium. This will take one electron and changes to MnO4 2 minus. So here the oxidation state of manganese is plus 6. Okay, what is an oxidizing agent? The species which oxidizes other substance and that undergoes reduction. It is an oxidizing agent, means it undergoes reduction. See, it is taking electron, nothing but reduction. Yes or no? Addition of electron is nothing but the reduction. So here it is undergoing reduction by taking electron from the other substance, means it is oxidizing other species. Okay, right. So MnO4 minus change to MnO4 2 minus. This is permanganate and it is manganate. Okay, permanganate, this one. Permanganate. This is manganate. Okay, so now see here it is taking only one electron in the basic strong basic medium, changes from oxidation from plus 7 to plus 6. Okay, right. Next, in the neutral or faintly basic medium, means very slightly basic medium or in the neutral medium, how it behaves. Let us take MnO4 minus. Okay, permanganate. Now this will take 3 electrons and changes to okay, see here what is the oxidation state here? Plus 7. What is the oxidation state here? Plus 4. So the change in oxidation state is 3 units. Yes or no? Okay, so in the neutral or faintly alkaline or basic medium, MnO4 minus is converted into MnO2, means oxidation state is changed from plus 7 to plus 4 and it is taking 3 electrons. Okay, so here only 1 electron it can take, and in the neutral or slightly basic medium it can take 3 electrons, means oxidizing power is increasing. Yes or no? So here oxidizing power is less, here oxidizing power is more when compared to strong basic medium. Next, in the acidic medium, MnO4 minus plus 5 electrons plus 8 H plus gives Mn plus 2 plus 4 H2O. Okay, Mn plus 2 plus 4 H2O. See here it is taking total how many electrons? 5 electrons. Changed from plus 7 to plus 2. Okay, plus 7 to plus 2. Clear? See here in this way, this KMnO4 is behaving differently in the strong basic medium and in the neutral medium and in the acidic medium. Yes or no? So here only one electron it can take, changing from plus 7 to plus 6. And here it can take 3 electrons, changed from manganese oxidation state is changing from plus 7 to plus 4. And in the acidic medium it is changing from plus 7 to plus 2 and taking 5 electrons. Okay, if a oxidizing agent is able to take more electrons, means its oxidizing power is more. So in which media KMnO4 is the strongest oxidizing agent? In the acidic medium. Okay, clear? Very, very important. In the acidic medium, KMnO4 is act as a very, very strong oxidizing agent, and in the neutral or faintly basic medium, oxidizing power is relatively less when compared to acidic medium, and in the strong basic medium, oxidizing power of KMnO4 is less when compared to the neutral and acidic medium. Okay, clear? So this is how it behaves in the three different media. Okay, clear? Now, and another question can be asked here related to the N factor. Okay, so what is the N factor? Is nothing but number of electrons gained by the oxidizing agent. Okay, so N factor is here equal to 1. Very, very important. Direct questions we get. Okay, what is the N factor of KMnO4 or MnO permanganate in the basic strong basic medium? 1, because it is taking only 1 electron. Or change in oxidation state is also N factor. So here plus 7 to plus 6. So N factor is equal to 1. Here N factor is equal to 3. So no, it is taking 3 electrons. So that's why N factor is equal to 3. See, on N factor already I have explained clearly in the previous videos. If you have any doubts, you can watch that. Okay, clearly I have explained. Next, here N factor is equal to how much? N factor is equal to 5. So no, N factor is equal to 5. Clear? See here, 5 electrons is taken by the manganese, so that's why here N factor is equal to 5. Here N factor is equal to 3. Here N factor is equal to 1. Clear? Very, very important this one. And next, equivalent weight is denoted by E. Equivalent weight is equal to gram molecular weight by N factor or valency factor. So no, equivalent weight is equal to gram molecular weight by N factor. So no. So here it's very simple. If you want to calculate the equivalent weight of KMnO4 in basic medium, then how can we calculate here? So equivalent weight of KMnO4 is equal to gram molecular weight of KMnO4 by 1. Because N factor is 1 here. So this is also very, very useful in many problems. Next here, equivalent weight of KMnO4 is equal to gram molecular weight of KMnO4 by N factor is equal to 3. So no, see, equivalent weight is different in the different media. Here equivalent weight of KMnO4 is equal to gram molecular weight of KMnO4 by N factor, that is equal to 5. Okay, so this is another important thing here. Different types of questions can be asked on this one. Okay, so many types of questions, so that's why very, very important. Okay, clear? So first thing is how many electrons are gained by the MnO4 minus in the different media. Okay, and another possible question is what is the N factor of KMnO4 in different media. What is another possible question? What is the equivalent weight of KMnO4 in the different media? Okay, so in this way this KMnO4 behavior is very, very important in the 3 media. Okay, in the next lecture let us discuss another special molecule, that is H2O2 behavior. Okay, thank you.